Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Java, NetBeans and write your first program. First, you can download Java from this website and you can check whether the installation is successful or not by checking if the path has Java in it. And you also can check the Java version in the Windows PowerShell. If it shows the version of your installed Java, it is correct. Next, you can download and install NetBeans from this website. Make sure to point to the JDK that you have installed before. When you start NetBeans, you can click on New Project and you choose Java with Maven and Simple Java application here. Choose a name for your project. This is the outcome of the setup. Your Java file will contain your Java code. So let's modify your Java source code file into this. This line is a one line command start with double slash. This is a multiple line command. If you want to write multiple things that are not being executed as part of the code. So it's mainly for information. And this is your class. It starts with public class and then the class name. Make sure to follow convention, camel cases. And in here you have a main function, public static void main. So this main function is the entry point of the execution. You have the first two instructions here, system.out.println, basically just show a string on the console. You can click on run project here to execute your program, to compile and execute your program. After you click that button, the source code is built and the program is executed and it shows as build success. And this is the output of your program. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.